Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make fingerless gloves with socks. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this simple tutorial instructional video. Alright, so essentially all that you need is a sock or multiple socks and a pair of scissors. It's really easy to do, and you can make yourself a pair of fingerless gloves. This is really useful if you have a sock that doesn't have a matching sock, like if you have a sock that is unpaired. So this is a sock that I have, and I found it in my sock drawer, and I believe, as far as I know, maybe the other sock had a hole in it or something like that, but I couldn't find the matching sock, so this is a perfect sock for something like this. Now it's very easy. What you want to start off by doing is you hold the sock over here. This is the opening, okay? You're going to go to the other side, the side that's closed, the side where your toes go, and essentially you want to get it nice and flat, okay? Get it as flat as possible so it's easy to work with. And then you want to just cut off just the tip of the sock over here. So I'm going to use the scissors, and I'm just going to carefully cut off the tip. Now, it depends on the sock. Some socks are going to be easier or harder because some will be a little bit thicker, a little bit thinner. So just, take your time, be careful, and cut off the tip of the sock, just like that. So as you can see right over here, the tip of the sock has been cut off, okay? And now what you're going to do is that's essentially where your fingers are going to go through, but you got to figure out where your thumb is going to go through. So just kind of look at your hand, and I always say, like, okay, I want my fingerless glove to kind of go somewhere about here, right? So the distance between wherever you want your fingerless glove to end to where your thumb is, that's how far down you sort of need to figure out where you're going to cut a little slit. So you can see over here, this is where I want the sock to go, and that's about, I would say, like 3 inches, give or take, something like that. So I'm going to go to the sock, and I'm going to go down about 3 inches. 1, 2, about 3, about here, give or take. And I'm just going to cut a little slit over there, and that's where my thumb is going to go. So just a little slit. You can always make it bigger after. So just literally just a little slit like that. And I'll show you what I did here. I just cut a tiny little slit, as you can see in the sock over there. So there's the little hole that I created. And essentially now, guess what? You have your fingerless gloves. So I'm putting my hand through the sock. My thumb goes through that little hole that I created. Look at that, baby! You made yourself a fingerless glove. It is so easy to do. It is that simple. Honestly, it is so simple. And if you have old socks that you no longer wear, that don't have a matching set to make a pair, whatever the case is, you can turn them into fingerless gloves. It's that easy. It's that simple. I just showed you how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, so hopefully you enjoyed it. So yeah, use your old socks to make some fingerless gloves. And that's truly it. Hopefully you liked it. I got nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so we are going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.